In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change mobile number on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to menu, tap Add Gear to open up settings, then tap right here to open up Meta Account Center. After that, tap Add Personal Details, then Contact Info. It will show you all of your emails and phone numbers associated with that account center. And in order to change your mobile number, first off, we need to add new one. So just tap right here, select Add Mobile Number, then enter new phone number here. Scroll down a bit and choose accounts for this number. I'm just gonna select Facebook, and then to continue, tap Add Change. After that, your new phone number will be added right here after you enter a confirmation code, obviously, and then you will be able to get into your old phone number, and then you can delete it by tapping at Delete Number. That's how you can easily change mobile number on Facebook.